Hi everyone, how are we all doing? I hope we're doing great. I hope we are all fabulous. It's officially spring and I'm tilting towards juices that would, give my skin that boost, that glow, that tone, if you know what I mean. So today I'm sharing with you an amazing recipe that is both immune boosting, great for the skin, and also packed with energy. Juice This juice recipe is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and has energy boosting property that will give you the most needed kick for this time of the year and also would make your skin glow. So come along with me and let's get juicing. So here's what you need. You need oranges packed with vitamin C, great for immunity and glowing skin. Now I've got a mix of Valencia orange and Cara oranges because I like my oranges, sweet and tart. I like to get benefit of both, and so I thought to mix my oranges a bit. I have some carrots here, washed, not peeled. I do not peel my carrots if I'm juicing because I want to maximize all the nutrients, especially those on the skin, that I can get from the carrots. And then I got my ginger there. I like my ginger, my juices. I like the ginger to really kick in my juices, so I try to go up a bit with my ginger, and using everything on this table is organic. So I have my red apples, and then I have 3 limes at the side. So let's get juicing. Okay, so I'm gonna have to peel the oranges and chop up my carrots behind the camera. So I'm going to start juicing, and I'm starting with my carrots, followed by my apples to give me a very smooth base before I go in with my oranges. At intervals, I'll be going in with the ginger. Somehow I feel like this ginger made it too much. Let's see. Okay, let us see. Okay, let's start with this. And then while this is juicing, I'll peel my lemons.
The neon signs light up the night. Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Skyscrapers hum.
Batch quantity wise.
A spark of love that feels divine. The echo of a fleeting glance.
Going in with oranges now. Let me show you. These are the Valencia oranges. See the color? And these are the Cara oranges. They're somewhat pink, somehow look like grape, but these are what they look like. So if you want to make plain orange juice, You need to make the right choice and know the one you want to use.
Light up the night. Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares.
This is beautiful. I just love the color.
Stars colliding under.
This I'm gonna be drinking now. I cannot wait. Wow, I got exactly 16 ounces. That's good. That's a decent amount. So I'm just going to